and sweethearts, oh, who sleep apart.
So today I'm going to be baking my friend Reagan a birthday cake. Her birthday's on Christmas, and so I've never had a real birthday with her, and neither have most of her friends. We're going to be having a little fake birthday for her. So I'm on cake duty, and I'm supposed to make Pinterest aesthetic cake. And I got some cute little dainty flowers. Oh, did you spit on me? You drilled on me. And yeah, let's get to it.
So slowly, you're so thin. As I begin rubbing others out, your state wasn't on my skin. And gold, Violet's finger to live 1, 2, 3, 4. Hush. To pose, now shush. She makes the sound she makes to calm me down.
Reagan, when you're watching this, I'm sorry if I'm late to here, but this is why, like right now is why. Here, I have, I don't know if I should let it unthaw it, but I had like cooled the icing that I made. Hello? Megan, if anyone's mad at me that I'm at the pier now, it's literally 4:33. I'm just icing the second fucking cake. Back to the money maker. It's time to slap on some blue. Some blue.
So